nice powder princess. Thank you, Pinky.
Okay.
Hi, Erica. This is why we have so much cancer these days. Nowadays, anything can give you cancer, to be honest. So, well, good thing you're not the one inhaling it. No, seriously, don't do this. Do I have any mods in here right now? Remove yourself, right? I hope you're wearing a mask. Girl, you have like commented so many times. Erica, you know what to do, my love. A fan at this point, right? It smells so good. It smells like lemon and lusty. Oh, I said you can block her or block them. No, it's I'll show you the bottle. It's called Less Oil. It's like a heavy duty degreaser. It smells, if you like the smell of gasoline, you'll like it. It smells so good. But it's like a degreaser. No, I don't think it was Miss Cleaning. It was somebody else, babe. Yes, that's what it smells like. It was Rising the Right. Sorry, Miss Cleaning. Oh, you're good, babe. We still have more cans to go in, guys. Bro, I thought that's hearts in the chat for everybody who sent. You guys are amazing. I'm gonna use this dish soap for this round, and then we have more. And is there a specific way that you want your cans puffin? Thank you, guys. All right, ready? Okay, hold on, my love. Told you guys the baby's down here. Potter Bomb's watching, so I fell asleep. Okay, my love, thank you so much. Guys, this smells so good. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this tote better than the sink? You guys tell me. You do. You like both. I've been seeing a lot of people using the tote lately. I personally like both. I know, I didn't know which one to do today. It smells so good. Lesty's still taking over, guys. Hi, clean or not? Okay, Roxy still has 4 cans going in, and then I still have 10 OG cans for Puffin. And we have Meg's liquid and her dish soap. Thank you, Miss Cleaning. It smells bomb. And Meg, tell me when you want that lemon liquid to go in. You can add before powder? Okay. This smells so good, guys. Guys, my Home Depot's boat is dying on me. Yes, 14 cans are gonna go in. I just have to open the other 10. Thank you, Clean. I think it would be too watery. Can you save mine? Yeah, babe, or I can send you back the money, babe. Okay, next time we go live, you already have 2 in for whatever you want. Which it'll probably be maybe tomorrow because I still have a lot of liquids. Okay, my love. How many more cans left? 2, 4. I still have 6 cans to add. Guys, I don't even go live with the iPad anymore. Hold on, I'm gonna take this notification off. This is delicious. Thank you, babe. I don't even use the iPad anymore because the baby always wants it. And then Lenina, tell me how you want your fabric softener in and when. Hold on, guys, we got the puzzle. To have self-control. Yeah, it's hard. It's just as hard as you not to lose. Is it? I feel like I can gain fast.
I hate you.
Who? Who are you talking to?
Mom.
You love me?
No.
Oh my goodness.
I hate.
All right. Just no. Yeah, I know. Gosh, 3-year-olds. What? All right, ready? Thank you for the follow. Yes, babe, I will post. It is. Good thing you didn't buy any of it, Lily. Thank you, guys. Good night, honey. That no came from babe soul. What did you do? It's because she's seen, I was telling them that I had bought a Barbie present for somebody. And she found it in the bag and she kept telling me she wanted to open it. Yeah, this is the last powder. These are the last powder bombs. So she found it and she wants it. No, it was for somebody else as a Christmas present. But now I feel bad and I want to give it her.
I'm right back. Mommy.
Yes, beauty. What is up? Okay, give me 1 minute and then I'll give you some.
Okay. Alright, but I'm back, guys.
I should surprise her. I know, right? But now I'm gonna have to get another one of those for the gift. Don't you guys hate when your kids make plans for you without you knowing? Oh my god, I feel so horrible because I won't be able to get my son anything. Oh, babe, make him an Amazon wish list and post it in your bio. Oh girl, enjoy it. Yeah, girl, my 16-year-old came down and said that my 18-year-old is ready for me to pick her up. And I'm like, she didn't tell me I was picking her up. And she's like, well, that's what she said. My baby hasn't gotten to that age. Oh, girl, you're lucky. I have older ones, and then I have my 3-year-old. I don't have any more dish soap. I just have liquids. How far in ages? My oldest is 18. I don't have any more powder, my love. And then I have 16, 9, and my baby's 3. I don't have time. And I have